It's giving Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. Hey guys, it's your girl Bomb Nia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Bomb Nia. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I'm coming at you with a hair review. I got sent a wig from Amazon. All the links and everything you need to know where to get this hair from will be down below in my description box. This is the package it came in. And let's just open this up and let's see how this wig is looking. So it came in this pink package with drawstrings, nothing fancy or anything like that. This is a new company on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, the hair will come to you in 2 days. Y'all know this is my favorite part of the wigs that's getting sent. I always say this in every video, but it really is. So it came with a beige head cap. It came with these cheap ass looking lashes. I wish they would just not send these. They need to send like hair ties or scrunchies or something like that, because these plastic looking ass lashes, these is not it. We want to 3D minx, okay baby? This is the wig. This is a human hair wig. This actually has bangs, not the bang. This is how the hair looks out the pack. It's human hair. They sent me 16 inches. Hair is really soft. It doesn't have like a bad funny smell. It's 130 density Brazilian hair, and this was only $65. This is very affordable for a human hair wig for 16 inches. This is what it looks like under the cap. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. This is a construction. It has 2 combs on the side, and it has a comb in the middle, and it has a clip for in the back, and it actually has the drawstrings on the wig too. This is how the wig looks at the top. It looks like a quick weave. That's what they call it, where they glue it down. This is how that looks at the top. So I'm just gonna try this on for you guys and see how it's looking, because you know this is my first time trying it on. I'm kind of nervous. This is how the wig looks with me just putting it on. These are the bangs. This is how it looks in the back. I haven't wore bangs in a long time, so it's kind of weird to me. My eyelashes are long, so it looks weird. Let's see if I pull it up a little bit. It feels soft. Let me see. Let me rub my hands through it. No shedding. Oh, actually, I got just this one little strand. It's not straight, you know, it's straight out the pack. So let me get a flat iron and let me see how this thing flat irons. I got my flat iron on 450. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is how it looks flat ironed. This is how it looks on the side and the back. I didn't really flat iron it back that well because I can't see behind my head. I think this wig is cute. It's not that thick, so it's giving like a natural, like if it was coming out of your scalp type of hair. It's definitely giving like goth black girl at a rock concert. It's giving Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. I like this wig. I wasn't too sure until I flat ironed it, as you guys could see, because it was kind of like bent up from it being in the package. I'll probably get some wears out of it. It's actually really silky, smooth. It doesn't have like the burnt hair smell smell either when I flat ironed it, so that's an A+. This is Brazilian version hair, so you can dye the hair if you wanted to. The only con that I have is this top of hair. Like, I wish it was flatter because I hate when wigs give you like the hump on the top, but that's the only con that I have. Like, you could put it in a ponytail, but I don't know. This is how it looks in a ponytail. This is how it looks in a ponytail. I think it's still cute in this little ponytail, but I think it would look better if, you know, I got longer inches. How it looks on the sides. This is how it looks in the back with the ponytail. So yes, you can put it in a ponytail. Like, say if you wear it in the summer and it gets really, really hot. I mean, I don't suggest you wear bangs in the summertime because if you're like me, I sweat, I get hot. If you guys like this wig, let me know in my comments below. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more wig reviews. And most importantly, stay bomb.